Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by nailing white balance and exposure. This gives you a reliable canvas. Use a neutral gray or white card and sample midtones, then tweak tint to remove color cast. Next, correct overall exposure, lift/shadows and gain/highlights so skin and highlights sit in range. Create a base node or layer and make only primary corrections here. This prevents compounding errors later. Once done, bypass to confirm neutral image and make small, deliberate adjustments rather than big swings. Now you move into secondary corrections to refine individual colors and regions. Use HSL qualifiers or color wheels to isolate problematic hues, desaturate, shift, or lift luminance where needed, so skin tones and skies feel natural. Then add masks or power windows for local contrast and exposure control, feather and refine edges to blend corrections. If elements move, apply tracking or keyframe the mask so the fix stays locked in. Make sure to toggle before /after to judge impact. Finish by applying your creative grade on a new node or layer. Use LUTs, curves, or color wheels to craft mood while keeping primaries untouched. Always reference scopes, waveform for exposure, vector scope for hue balance, histogram for clipping, so you maintain legal levels. If you encounter banding or posterization, add a touch of grain or dither, raise processing bit depth, or smooth extreme S-curves. If colors shift after export, reconfirm color space and gamma settings. Adjust and retest until consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.